Hello friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So friends, in today's video we'll be discussing some of the important books and authors of the April month. The video will be very important, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button, share the link of this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe. So friends, we'll start with our video, but before that we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years, so choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay, also we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So the first book that we'll be discussing today is Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis, Anindya Datta. Alright, mark this important and we'll move on. The data that you need to remember from this is that first is Anindya Datta. He's a banker who turned author, penned a new book titled Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis. It is a chronicle of India tennis. Advantage India is a well-researched account of the journey of Indian tennis with a special section on the doubles game and on the women's tennis in India. This book was published by Westland Publication. As I told you earlier, when we are revising the books and authors, the important things that you need to remember are the name of the author, the name of the book, and the publication house, and in this case it is Westland Publication. All right, then if we talk about the book provides the extensive history of Indian tennis on both men's and women's side. The book is the result of detailed research of Anindya Datta on the data from the archives of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and British newspaper from the past 200 years. All right, so the author of this book is Anindya Datta. Name of book is Advantage India, the story of Indian tennis. And what is the name of the publication house? It is Westland Publications. Alright, then next. Hillary Clinton partners with Louis Penny to co-write the State of Terror mystery novel. There was a mystery novel written by Hillary Clinton and it was partnered with Louis Penny. The name of the book is State of Terror. Alright, this is important. Then next if we talk about, this is important, do mark it. Agriculture in India, contemporary challenges in the context of doubling farmers' income. I repeat, agriculture in India, contemporary challenges in the context of doubling farmers' income by retired civil servant Dr. Mohan Kandaji. As you can see him in the picture, he wrote the book Agriculture in India, Contemporary Challenges in the Context of Doubling Farmers' Income. Then, if we look at the data, M. Venkaiah Naidu, who is our Vice President of India, released the book titled Agriculture in India, Contemporary Challenges in the Context of Doubling Farmers' Income, that has been authored by Dr. Mohan Kandaji, who is the former Chief Secretary of Andhra Pradesh. This book is published by BSP Books Private Limited. So what is the publishing house of this book? It is BSP Books Private Limited. Then if we talk about doubling farmers income, that is DFI, the government of India targets to double farmers income by 2022. The interministerial committee constituted in the 2016 to examine the issues on doubling of farmer incomes recommended the DFI strategy to double the farmers income. And these strategies are such as improvement in crop productivity, improvement in livestock productivity, resource use efficiency or saving in the cost of production, increase in the cropping intensity, diversification toward high value crops. All right. Then next is Supari Palana, as this book has been recently authored by a retired civil servant Dr. Shailendra Joshi. As you can see him in the picture, he is the author of the book Supari Palana. Alright, Supari Palana, and it has been authored by a civil servant by the name Dr. Shailendra Joshi. This book was also released by our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu ji. Supari Palana, the authored by Dr. Shailendra Kumar Joshi or S.K. Joshi, who is the former Chief Secretary of Telangana. This is the Telugu translation of S.K. Joshi's book Eco-Tea Calling Towards People-Centric Government. I repeat, this book Supari Palana is the Telugu translation of the S.K. Joshi, that is your Shailendra Kumar Joshi's own book by the name Eco-Tea Calling, that is Towards People-Centric Governance. The book was translated by whom? It was translated by Annavarapu Bharamya and it was published by Maruthi. Alright, if we talk about the book is in the narration of S.K. Joshi about the administration, public policy and governance in India. The book covers a range of topics from laughter, the best medicine, to the relevance of Swadeshi in the modern perspective. Alright, question will be direct. Who authored the book Supari Palana? It was the name of the person is Dr. Shailendra Joshi, and this Supari Palana is the Telugu version of the book Eco-Tea Calling Towards People-Centric Governance. Then next is Wisdom for Startups from Grown-Ups, Discovering Corporate Ayurveda. I repeat, Wisdom for Startups from Grown-Ups, Discovering Corporate Ayurveda, and this has been authored by two people. Alright, this book, that is Wisdom for Startups from Grown-Ups, Discovering Corporate Ayurveda, it has been authored by corporate leaders and there are two. One is R. Gopal Krishnan and R. Narayan. Was inspired by the secrets of Shinine's Japanese companies dating back to the samurai era. The book was published by Penguin Random House in India. So what are the three things here? Wisdom for Startups from Grown-Ups, Discovering Corporate Ayurveda. This is the name of the book. Authors are R. Gopal Krishnan and R. Narayan. Second thing. And the third thing is the publishing house, that is Penguin Random House India. If we talk about the book is a collaborative effort of R. Gopal Krishna and R. Narayan to offer the wisdom of grown-ups to startups, presented in the form of all important lessons. The book is divided into two sections which are focused on startups and grown-ups. The book also narrates the stories of 9 startups and explores the motivations among the entrepreneurs. Alright, Then next is Prachand Praveer. I repeat, Prachand Praveer recently authored a book, Cinema Through Rasa, a tryst with masterpieces in the light of Rasa Siddhanta. As you can see him in the picture, he is the author Prachand Praveer. Alright, and the name of the book is Cinema Through Rasa. The book title Cinema Through Rasa, a tryst with masterpiece in the light of Rasa Siddhanta, that was authored by Prachand Praveer. This is the English translation of the Prachand Praveer's Hindi book title Abhinava Cinema. Alright, so it can be asked, what is the Hindi translation of the book authored by Prachand Praveer, Cinema Through Rasa? The name of the book is Abhinava Cinema, or vice versa question can also be asked, like Abhinava Cinema's English version is Cinema Through Rasa. Then the book was translated by Geeta Mirji Narayan and published by DK Printworld Private Limited. The foreword of the book was written by Vishnu Khare Bharatgupta. Alright, so publication's name is DK Printworld Private Limited. Author's name is Prachand Praveer. The name of the book is Cinema Through Rasa and the Hindi version of this book is Abhinava Cinema. Next we'll be talking about Neeli Marani, My Mother, My Hero, written by Achyuta Samanta. Alright, I repeat, Neeli Marani, My Mother, My Hero, written by Achyuta Samanta. Then, this book was also released by our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu sir, who is the Vice President of India, released the book titled Neeli Marani, My Mother, My Hero, authored by Dr. Achyuta Samanta, member of Lok Sabha at Raj Bhavan, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. This is the biography of Dr. Achyuta Samanta's late mother, Neeli Marani Samanta, and this book is published by Rupa Publications. Alright, so three things here. Rupa Publications is the publishing house. Name of the book is Neeli Marani, My Mother, My Hero, and the author is Dr. Achyuta Samanta. Alright, moving on to next. Then next is an important book, Exam Warriors, who is authored by whom? Dr. RPM Narendra Modi ji. Alright, and this is the revised and updated version of the Exam Warriors written by PM Narendra Modi and was released many new mantras and range of engaging activities for students as well as parents, and also reaffirms the need to remain stress-free before an exam. Exam Warriors is an initiative by PM Narendra Modi to hold and motivate aspiring students for upcoming board exams. Next, a book titled Akhtari, The Life and Music of Begum Akhtar. I repeat, the book title Akhtari, The Life and Music of Begum Akhtar, set to release recently. Alright, let's look at the author and various publication houses. Akhtari, The Life and Music of Begum Akhtar, a new book to remember about the life and singing experience of great Indian singer Begum Akhtar or Akhtari by Faizabadi. It was edited by Yatindra Mishra and published by HarperCollins of India. So three things. Name of the book is Akhtari, The Life and Music of Begum Akhtar. Who is the author? Or basically this is first of all, who is the author? It was edited by Yatindra Mishra, and this book is to remember about the life and singing experience of a great singer, and the name of the singer is Begum Akhtar or Akhtari by Faizabadi. Alright, and this was edited by Yatindra Mishra and published by HarperCollins India. So who is the author? Yatindra Mishra. If we talk about the book, it is a tribute to Begum Akhtar featuring essays on her life and music, remembrances by those who knew her well, and interviews with the legend herself. It was only written in Hindi and is now available in English, which is set to be released on 30th of April 2021. Alright, this is Akhtari, The Life and Music of Begum Akhtar, and it has been written by Yatindra Mishra. Then moving on, PM Modi is set to release the Hindi version of Odisha Itihas that has been written by Dr. Hari Krishna Mehtab. I repeat, PM Modi is set to release Hindi version of the Odisha Itihas by Dr. Hari Krishna Mehtab. Alright, if we look at the data, Narendra Modi will be releasing the Hindi translation of the book Odisha Ityas that has been authored by Dr. Hari Krishna Mehtab. The book available in Odia and English was translated in Hindi by Shankarlal Purohit. So the question can be asked like who translated this Odia and English version into Hindi version? It was translated by Shankarlal Purohit. Then this book was released at the event organized by Hari Krishna Mehta Foundation at Ambedkar International Center, Janpath, New Delhi. Moving on to next. Next book is India's Power, Elite, Class, Caste and a Cultural Revolution, written by Sanjay Baru. I repeat, written by Sanjay Baru, as you can see him in the picture. He is also the author of the Accidental Prime Minister. All right, it was a very famous book, Accidental Prime Minister. Can now this is your homework to tell me Accidental Prime Minister has been written on whom? You have to name the person. He is a very reputed person. All right. So the name of the book now he has written is latest book is India's Power Elite. All right, and it has been written by Sanjay Baru. India's famous political commentator Sanjay Baru released his new book India's Power, Elite, Class, Caste and a Cultural Revolution. The book discusses the socio-cultural changes that happened in India after the 2014 general elections. The book analyzes the regime of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Bharatiya Janata Party on how the party wins state elections in places where it has no footprint. Alright, moving on. Next, we'll be talking about Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Sample Life. Alright, so as you can see, this is the biography of Manohar Parrikar. Who is Manohar Parrikar? He was the CM of Goa. Alright, it is a very important person, but he has died due to cancer. Alright, so this is the book or this is the biography of Manohar Parrikar. Let's look at the data. Nitin Anant Gokhale authored his new book Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life. Alright, I repeat. Who is the author of the Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life? He is Nitin Anand Gokhale. Name of book is Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life, that discusses Manohar Parrikar's political journey and contribution to the country from an IIT student to a social worker and to India's defense minister. Alright, he was the former defense minister as well as the chief minister of Goa. If we talk about Manohar Parrikar, he the first IIT graduate to become a CM in India. He is a 4-time chief minister of Goa and a former defense minister of India. And if we talk about Nitin Anand Gokhale, who is the author of this book, Gokhale is the founder of a specialized defense related websites bharatshakti.in and startnewsglobal.com. Alright, so who is the author of the Manohar Parrikar Brilliant Mind Simple Life? He is Nitin Anand Gokhale. Moving on, Prime Minister released 4 books based on Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar's life. I repeat, 4 books recently has been released on the life of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar's life, and it has been released by PM Narendra Modi ji. Alright, let's look at the data and mark this. This is very important and have a higher chance of being asked in your exam. Alright, PM Narendra Modi virtually participated in the Association of Indian Universities 95th Annual Meet and National Seminar of Vice Chancellors. On the occasion, he released 4 books based on the life of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar, which were authored by Kishore Makavna. I repeat, who authored these 4 books released by the Prime Minister? It was, the name of the author is Kishore Makavna. The 4 books are Dr. Ambedkar Jeevan Darshan, Dr. Ambedkar Vyakti Darshan, Dr. Ambedkar Rashtra Darshan and Dr. Ambedkar Ayam Darshan. These are the 4 books. Alright. On 14th of April 2021, that marks the 130th birth anniversary of B.R. Rao Ambedkar, that is Bhim Rao Ambedkar, which is celebrated in India as Ambedkar Jayanti. He is the first Law Minister of India and popularly known as the father of Indian Constitution. He was inspiration behind the 1956 Dalit Buddhist movement in India. The books by B.R. Ambedkar are Annihilation of Caste, Who Were the Shudras, The Buddha and his Dhamma, The Problem of the Rupee, Its Origin and Its Solution, and Castes in India. These are the few books written by B.R. Ambedkar, and recently 4 books on the life of B.R. Ambedkar has been released by Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi ji, and these 4 books are authored by Kishore Makavna. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about Suresh Raina with Bharat Sudarshan. The name of the book is Believe. Alright, What Life and Cricket Taught Me. Suresh Raina penned his memoir, and the name of the book is Believe, What Life Cricket Taught Me, and this has been co-authored by Bharat Sudarshan, and this has been published by Penguin Random House. Alright, that's all you need to know. Next, Paro Anand authored the book titled Being Gandhi. Paro Anand authored the book on Gandhi by the title Being Gandhi, and the publishing house is HarperCollins Children's Book. So 3 things: Paro Anand authored a book Being Gandhi, or it can be asked, a book on Gandhi titled Being Gandhi was authored by whom? It was authored by Paro Anand, and it was published by HarperCollins Children's Book. Alright, this is important. Next is also important because she is a very famous author, J.K. Rowling. Her new book's name is The Christmas Pig. Alright, if we look at the data, J.K. Rowling, the British author who is well known for her Harry Potter fantasy series, is set to release her children's novel called The Christmas Pig. The Christmas Pig is a standalone book and is aimed at kids at age 8 years and above. The book is illustrated by Jim Field. The Christmas Pig will be released on 12th of October 2021 by Hachette Children's Group imprint Little Brown Books. This is the foundation, or this is the publishing house. And if we talk about J.K. Rowling, she has won many awards, and some of them include Legion of Honor in 2009 and Tony Award for the Best Play in 2008. So her new book's name is The Christmas, and the author is J.K. Rowling. Next is Wanderers, Kings, Merchants, the story of India through its languages, and this has been authored by Peggy Mohan. Alright, Peggy Mohan has authored a new book, Wanderers, Kings, Merchants, the story of India through its languages. The book explores the impacts of migration on Indians and Indian languages from ancient times through the early history of South Asia. This book was published by Penguin Random House, India. And the last book for this video is The Living Mountain, that has been written by a Gyanpith Award winner, Amitav Ghosh. As you can see him in the picture, mark this because he is a recipient of Gyanpith Award. Alright, and the name of the author is Amitav Ghosh. Name of the book is The Living Mountain. The Indian writer Amitav Ghosh has authored a new book, The Living Mountain, A Fable for Our Lives, A Fable for Our Times. This book has been written during the course of pandemic. It was published by HarperCollins India. Alright, so the new book by Amitav Ghosh, who is a Gyanpith Award winner, has written, the name of the book is The Living Mountain, A Fable for Our Times. Alright, so friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. Alright, so that's all for the day. Take care.